Arkon's GN032 SBH AMPS handlebar mount can be used as a replacement, upgrade, or as an addition to a current mount. It is compatible with devices having a 4-hole AMPS pattern, including vehicle-specific mounts, VSMs, cameras, GPS devices, audio/video receivers, or satellite radios including Sirius S50, Sirius XM Onyx Plus, XM Onyx EZ, Sirius XM Lynx, Stratus 7, Dock and Play, and Sirius Dock and Play, sold separately. This mounting pedestal is also ideal for mobile radio holders, housings, and other devices. Formerly an industry standard, the 4-hole AMPS pattern consists of 4 holes located in a rectangular pattern spaced at 30.17 mm by 38.05 mm, measured as the center-to-center distance between holes. This mount package includes only Arkon's bicycle/motorcycle handlebar mount featuring a 4-hole AMPS head, holders sold separately. The bicycle/motorcycle mount fits on handlebars measuring up to 33 mm in diameter and is easy to install with a Phillips screwdriver. The mount's swivel ball adapter head rotates 360 degrees, providing the ultimate flexibility in positioning the smartphone or GPS at any angle. Top reviews from the United States. PV3 mount. Used to mount PowerVision 3 to handlebars on 16th Street Glide. Had to take out the rubbers but works great. Pretty sturdy and hasn't moved in last month I've had it mounted.